Hi guys, we're having sundowners and a bit of dessert tonight in front of Foxtown. We're still in the Abacos chains of the Bahamas, and I want to show you what Sandy has done. And she's made bread today, as you'll see. Hey guys, Sandy made some bread today. Let's go down and check it out. Wow, look at these bad boys. Ooh, which one can I have a piece of right now?
The little one.
The little one. Oh, yeah. Look at the size of this thing.
Well, two got blended.
Look at that.
Into
Look
one.
at that. That's my hand. That's a monster. That's a nice one. You made this today all by yourself?
Yeah, and the cake and chocolate chip cookies.
And chocolate chip cookies. Oh.
Just to use up stuff.
Okay.
So
Okay. Hold on.
we can freeze them and have them on the way home. I know.
Oh, you ate one already.
No, I haven't, but I had a piece of the cookie
I didn't
dough.
know you were doing that.
I know.
And you're gonna make a cake?
Yes.
Mmm.
Eating good on the way home.
Best wife. She's also made this beauty. Look at this bad boy. You got to tell them what's in here, huh?
It's a chocolate cake. It's made from scratch, not a package. And it's made with mixed whole wheat flour. And the filling is chopped up pineapple, like canned pineapple, and we got some jam from the French people, our little goodie bag of treats. So I mixed it together and put it as a filling in between
I can
the
hold it like
layers.
that. It ain't gonna fall off. Watch.
And they also gave us a can of or a small jar of Nutella, so I made that as the icing. So there you go. It's a makeshift cake, and John wanted the candies crushed on top, so we crushed candies on top.
So we've crushed candies on top, and it's got the Nutella icing, a Nutella cake. Can I see if I can spin this? And it's sticking.
No,
like,
you're not
look at it. It doesn't
spinning
fall off or
Before
nothing.
the top falls, no, you're not going to do that.
Wow, it's been in the freezer too, so it's nice and cold right now.
There you go.
There's the inside right there. It looks moist. There's pineapple in there, of course, like you said. The crushed candies add texture. The crushed candies are cool. I want to talk about the 2-foot-itis. You know, the big dick, big boat thing. This has happened a couple of times while I'm here. You know, when I like to look at boats. You know what I mean? I like to see bigger boats than mine. We're on a 43-footer. I like to see bigger boats. I have a plan. I would like to buy a bigger boat, sure. I've got the 2-foot-itis, but I don't tell somebody that my boat's 50 feet long. Like, I'll look at a boat and I'll ask the guy, oh, you know, well, how long is it? And they'll say, oh, you know, it's 52 feet or 55 feet. Now, I know what I'm looking at. So, and they're, you know, they include the bowsprit, like, you know, where the anchor is, and the back rack here, like, you know, where you hang the dinghy off. Well, shit, if you want to count my anchor and my davits, you know, I'm at 48 feet. But I don't tell people it's a 48-footer. I tell them what I pay for at a marina at 43 feet, and that's what I pay for at a marina. And when they lay this line of shit on me, I ask them, I said, well, what do you pay at a marina? And then they'll say, oh, well, you know, I 42 feet. Well, then that's what size your boat is, dude. I mean, I don't get it. I just don't understand. This just happened again the other day, and I don't know. I just don't get how it works there. After that, I just walk away. You know, I'm not really interested in talking to them. Done. Finished.
But that happens with every scenario. It's like cars, houses.
Yeah, I guess you're right too.
You know, when you ask people the square footage of their home, they
include
the attic and the crawl space and everything, right?
Footwear. You know what? We've done a post about footwear before, like 2 years ago. And I want to tell you again about footwear. Something remarkable has happened. And we're coming to the end of our trip. And I've got to share this with you. So Sandy used these ones 2 years ago. These exact same ones. These ones.
Yeah.
And they're Keens. And you got to remember, our feet are wet all the time. And so they're in the water. And they've lasted, like they're like brand new for her. I mean, like, you know, she's on her second trip with these things, and you know, through the rocks and the sand and the water all the time.
Yeah.
They're great. And she actually bought me a pair as well to bring down, and I have them. They're brand new. And I had a couple of other ones, less expensive ones, like $20 ones. Mm-hmm. And they fell apart probably within the first month.
Easy, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so I threw them away. And she goes, "Oh, use your Keens, use your Keens." No, I want to get rid of these other ones first, before I put on the good Keens, right? Because the Keens are kind of expensive.
Yeah. We bought these as a last ditch backup if he broke every other sandal, because they were
$11.
Yeah.
Like at Wally World. These were like $11 at Wally World. They're like a croc, okay?
Kinda,
like, you know, rubbery, okay? But no, they didn't break. And I wear these things every day, and they were like $11. And I think because they're all plastic,
it's all
there's
form.
yeah, there's no glue to delaminate, and usually these straps would break or something like that. I've come to think sometimes that, you know, well, you pay for what you get, you know, and you know, we buy some what we think are expensive things like Keens, good product, you know, good quality clothing, you know, that you know will not, you know, the sun won't weather it, and it works for us too. It'll keep us dry, it'll keep us warm. We buy those things, and then the cheap thing outlasts what we thought it would, right?
Yeah.
Amazing.
For sure. Yeah.
So it's not always pay more and it's better.